Oh, guys, sorry for making a mistake. I've realized that already set to save the video. So, but I'm just gonna show you the instruction number 9. You see, I've made a mistake, so I just realized it now. If it's or record, but let's do it. Then you're just gonna somewhere highlight this one, the generated pivot table. Then you're going to click on recommended charts. You see recommended charts. Then we check the instruction set inside the pivot table and inside a line graph to compare the marks. So we just gonna get here on recommended charts, then you click line, then you say okay, then you drag it. My apologies for making mistake. I'm also a human being. So yeah, this is how we do it. Never mind that one that I did before because I already saved the video. Thank you.